sponge. Oh my god. What is it? We can go wash dishes with this. I don't want to risk.
Look at that.
Smells so good. Put it like an authentic way. So just like that. I like it because, you know, when you break it, you even for the pizza, you give this little chunk inside. I love to put the finger inside the dough. Watch this. Nice and smoky. Look at this sausage. The burnt cheese at the edge. Take a look, guys. It's ready. Just like that. What is this? Water. Wow. Detroit Italian style. Welcome back. This pizza is my favorite pizza. Before and after. Detroit style pizza. Take a look how fantastic is this. Soft, nice, crunchy. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, go ahead, consider to subscribe if you are pizza lovers. Guys, like as I promised,
Hey,
boom baby!
Hey.
As I promised, 5,000 likes on my last video.
Yes, sir.
Pork cheese pizza, that's correct?
The Detroit style.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Detroit style is my favorite.
Yeah, maybe we do a video on that one.
Okay, maybe coming soon. If
maybe
we get
we'll
this
go to
video
Detroit.
to 5,000 likes, we're gonna make together
Let's
a
do it.
Detroit
Let's do
style
it.
pizza.
Come on, let's go.
Italian style with Maestro Iacopelli and Ramos. Detroit style, 5,000 likes. Go ahead, smash the like. Did you see? So we kept the promise. 5,000 likes, boom, Detroit style. So today, even if we didn't reach the 5,000 likes, don't worry about me.
Well, they can go back and smash the like button now so they don't make a liar out of us.
Did you hear what he say? Go back, smash the like, let's get 5,000 likes. We are about 3,300, something like that.
Something.
Go, smash the like in this one. And guys, today we are going to show you how to make Detroit style pizza, but with some smoked sausage.
Yes, sir.
He showed me some tricks. So we're gonna show you how to make the pizza dough, everything step by step, the Detroit style by us. Thank you so much for your time.
No secrets.
How many likes this time?
Let's get 5,000 again.
5,000, let's go! On to the best pizza channel. Best time to make the pizza dough, guys. This is really easy and really fast. So I made it as simple as possible to make this dough Detroit style, 100% poolish. So we have 300 milligrams for the poolish. We have 300 milligrams of water, 300 grams of flour, 5 grams of yeast, 5 grams of honey. Very simple and fast. Then we have 10 grams of sea salt, 150 grams of flour, just a teaspoon of olive oil. Let's go ahead and let's make this dough. Put the poolish inside the dough machine. Or you can also do it with your hands, no, not a big deal. The poolish was made last night, so about 24 hours ago. Let's put a speed number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Let's put the salt at this point. Voila. Now, little by little, let's add the flour. Slow down the speed, otherwise you're gonna make a mess. And once it's all together, we can speed it up at the max speed. Okay, now it's time to put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Just a little bit, lightly on the sides. Voila, we have about 1 tablespoon. Now we mix it for about 6 minutes at the max temperature, at the max speed. Boom, baby, the dough is lovely, ready. Let me take it out. Voila, let's move this on the side right there and take a look of the dough. But before you touch the dough, remember one thing, oil in your hands. This one will prevent the dough to get sticky in your hands. You know what I mean? So get the dough now, just like that. What is this? Water. Wow. Voila. So now we create a big ball, just like that. Quick and fast. This way the pizza dough doesn't stick in your hands. Now that you made a ball, let it rest for about 15 minutes at room temperature. And in the meantime, Vincent, can I have your let me see your pen from Detroit.
Well, yes, sir.
Actually, it's
you go.
not from Detroit, it's from Amazon.
From Amazon, yes, sir.
Which brand is this? Because this is the original pen from Detroit, right?
It's not the original Detroit ones, the steel pans that they had back in the day, but this Lloyd's pan is the best thing we can do today.
So, right now, let's get a little bit of olive oil on the bottom.
A lot of olive oil, I think.
A lot of olive oil.
Yeah.
You know what I
More
mean?
than you think you should.
Oh yeah, let's go for it. This is really good olive oil, you know.
Hey.
We're gonna waste it like this.
Hey.
It's not wasted.
The flavor's gonna be.
15 minutes pass by. It's not that much, you know, but you know, this resting time, it makes the gluten more strong, you know. So here you go. So now again, let's detach it from the table, just movement, just circle until it's detached. And now let's create that again, one ball. Let's close it. Just like that. You already can feel the air, these 15 minutes that was resting. Close it, really good. Make sure it's closed like a ball. And now it's time to go ahead and put the dough upside down inside the pan. Again, little bit of olive oil on top, just like that. Massage a little bit. Now plastic wrap on top, just go like this inside and let it rest for 1 hour. And then we are going to do the first step. 1 hour at room temperature. And guys, 1 hour, 1 hour passed by, and take a look, nice. And save the plastic wrap because we're gonna do something. Now again, little bit of olive oil on top, just slightly, just right there. And now we just press. I love to put the finger inside the dough. Outstanding. So we're gonna just press it lightly together, and we have to make it all in the same level. So pay attention and make it in the same level. Not too thin, not too thick, just press. And then now guys, one more time. Voila, cover it, just like that. 2 hours at room temperature. Okay guys, now it's time to prepare the ingredients. This pizza is really simple, really easy, but Vincent here brought some sausage because I had this idea to make the pepperoni, but the sausage. This is the key ingredients of today. So you're gonna teach me a little bit how to smoke the sausage because I saw that you are a master on the smoker thing. I'm still learning on the smoker thing.
Yeah, I think you got it.
So Parmesan cheese. We're gonna use this, we're gonna call it pepperoni sausage, some tomato sauce and some just cheese, and we're gonna shred it and show you what to do. So this is it, simple. Okay. Got it, man. Take a look of this sausage right there.
So this sausage is a hot.
You know what, sausage? In Naples, not Naples, in New York they call it sausage. So if you're in New York, tell me, that's the right pronounce, the sauce and the sausage. So what we got here, two different ones?
Yes, sir. One spicy. You can tell right here all the peppers in there, and then the sweet one.
But when it's cooked, how are we gonna know?
We'll pay attention to where we put it on the grill.
Okay. Right? Okay, let's go ahead.
So let's just try to remember the sweet sausage is going on the left, and then we'll take the spicy sausage on the right. Okay, so now that the sausage is inside, we're gonna leave it on there just until it's partially cooked. It's gonna go on the pizza for 18 to 22 minutes. So once we get a nice partial cook, we'll be ready to move on.
We have a pizza still inside the smoker because basically Vincent just told me something that I didn't know, to put, if you're using a smoker, to put the metal, actually this is a pizza still inside for 1 hour, right?
Yes, we needed to get hot, right? Because we're cooking at a low temperature, 400 degrees, and we don't have the open flame on the bottom. The pizza still will conduct the heat even better, and we'll get a nice brown bottom.
You said that that's the secret.
That's a secret. And
we just reveal a secret.
Well, your channel is about no secrets.
Yes, so smash the like and subscribe, right?
There it is right there.
Channel, no secret, everything made with love.
Yes, sir.
So, to make the crispy bottom in a smoker, you have to have a pizza. They have to have it?
We don't have to, but if we want it to be the best to do, we're going to use the pizza still.
So smash the like right now. Let's go. I don't see it. Thank you so much, guys. Wait, my friend, Vincent. I see some smoke right there. Yeah. Are you ready?
Ready.
Show me if you are ready. Watch this. Woo! Nice and smoky. Look at this sausage. Come, baby. Oh, oh. I'm gonna get it. I don't care. That's spicy, and they got a perfect sausage. Guys, you know, I'm gonna put it, cook it again, burn some bacteria, and I mean, don't do this at home. This is for me. I don't care. I eat it. This is a perfect sausage. Oh my God, Sato. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit. This way, it's gonna be easy to cut and simulate the pepperoni. Voila. That's it. Like brand new.
Brand new.
Nothing happened.
What happened?
Nothing. You see it? No. Okay, let's go. Let's do the cheese first. Pom pom pom. Voila. Okay, we're using this one, right? This is better. This is basically not fresh mozzarella. It's American cheese.
Whole milk, low moisture.
Whole milk, low moisture. How much cheese we need here for one pizza?
A lot.
We need a lot of cheese.
Yeah,
This
the
much?
more the merrier.
This much?
Let's try it.
This much?
Let's do it.
The better, the more, the better.
Easy.
Woo!
Easy.
Nice and cheesy. Boom. Voila, guys. Vincent, show me a little bit.
Oh,
Just like that.
Gotta do the work, huh? I'm here to do the work, huh? Okay.
I saw some smoke right there. What's going on? What's going on? Man. Okay, thank you so much, Vincent, to cut the cheese. That's why you have this muscle right there. So now it's time to. I like to put the cheese just simply, just a little bit of salt.
The cheese, you mean the tomato sauce?
Sorry, the tomato sauce.
Yes, sir.
A little bit of fresh basil inside, just like that. Thank you so much, Vincent. And a little bit of Italian extra virgin olive oil. If it's not Italian, California have a good olive oil too, so don't worry about it. Now we have the tomato. Now smash the tomato just like that and break it. On the Detroit side, you can also cook the tomato with a little bit of onions and they just give a little flavor like that. Or you can just put the tomato like this, and we're gonna show you now. I like it because, you know, when you break it, you even for the pizza, you give this little chunk inside. Sausage is ready, everything is ready. Let's go ahead, let's make the pizza now. Thank you so much, Vincent. 2 hours passed by. Woo! Take a look how much air is inside. Outstanding.
A lot of cheese.
Go with the cheese.
A lot of cheese.
You go with the cheese. I'm scared with the cheese. Go for it.
Look. We got to get on the sides.
Yeah, that's
You want
why
to get that burnt.
you get the
built up,
nice
yeah,
cross
try to
right
get that
there.
crown right there.
That's what I'm talking
Let's
about.
see. Hey, no secrets. No secrets.
No secret.
This is
So
your channel.
extra cheese on the sides,
Yes, sir.
just like that. Don't be shy with the cheese.
Don't be shy.
Perfect.
So,
Voila, guys. So if you are in diet, don't watch this, please.
oh no, it's not for the diet.
Little bit of Parmesan cheese.
A little bit of Parmesan. Well, I
gonna
don't know
put
if
a-
we're doing a little bit of anything here. We're doing
Yeah, we're gonna go
some flavor.
one shot right there, guys. The tomato sauce on the Detroit style, I always like to put it like an authentic way, so just like that, just like that. But you know, you can put it whatever how you want it, not a big deal. Here we're gonna cut it really like a pepperoni, so we're gonna make it thin cut, and we're gonna cut it a lot because I love meat, guys. I don't know you, but I love meat. Vieni, Vincent. So I'm gonna do this F spicy, F not spicy. Man, this is spicy. Did you taste it?
It's tasty.
Tasty. We're gonna put it nice in order. This way is very photogenic
Uniform.
and uniform. Yeah, American style.
Yes, sir.
Because in Italy we just dump everything on top and that's it. That's it. The pizza is ready to go in the oven. Let's go. How hot it needs to be, the smoker?
Max temperature.
Max temperature around 450 Fahrenheit.
450 is perfect.
Okay, let's go and let's put it directly on the steel right there. Perfect. Boom. Close it and cook it until 18 to 20 minutes.
I said we're looking for the burnt cheese on the edge.
The burnt cheese at the edge. Take a look, guys. It's ready. I think it's ready. Burnt cheese at the end. The pizza is ready. I don't want to risk.
Look at that.
Smells so good. Leave it. Leave this peel. Boom, baby. Take it out. Take it out. Bye.
One shot, boom.
One shot, baby. Oh my God. Listen to that. Listen to that. This is the pizza. So now we wait because the pizza sits and we get the nice crispy on the sides. Let's wait a couple of minutes. Okay, Vincent, go for it. Let's take this beast out 1 second. So we have to go ahead with the spatula. Show our friends right there from this side.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at that crust. Got our nice crispy burnt edges. Oh, we're ready to go. Let's go.
I have my secret.
Hey, some fresh bacon.
Boom, baby.
Finally.
Now, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's put this basil on the side right there. Boom. Let's take this pizza out. Little bit. Now, be careful. Be careful. One shot. Boom. Oh, there we go. Oh my God. Applause, guys. Applause. Take a look of this pizza. It's a beast. It's a beast. We have to put the final touch right there. The basil. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna put it just like that. Just on top, Italian style. This is like a little bit Detroit Italian style. Voila. Now, the baby, it's complete. Show me some love. Show me some likes. Let's go. The moment of the truth, the tasting. Sei pronto? Are you ready?
Vai, vai.
I'm gonna cut the angle because I really love the angle. Oh my
The corners
God.
is where it's at. Yes,
What is
sir.
this? This is like a sponge texture. You know sponge texture?
High hydration.
Yeah, baby. Oh my God.
sir.
Go for it.
You,
Take a look.
One corner for me.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Sponge, really sponge.
Shoot.
Chin chin. You are.
That's a lot of goodness right
Oh
there.
my God, man. Watch this, watch. Wait, where are you going? Where are you going? Take a look. Sponge. Oh my God. What is it? We can go wash dishes with this. Yeah, I'm here. Whoa, boom, baby. Yeah, take a look of the brisket. If we get this video 5,000 likes, guys, Vincent is going to teach me how to do this beast of brisket. So with this one, of course, we're gonna go ahead and test it because I never cooked brisket before. So if you are from Texas, maybe don't watch this.
No, they can watch. They can watch. No problem.
Thank you so much.
We're gonna do it right.
We're gonna do it right.
Yes, sir.
So let's get this video 5,000 likes. Thank you so much, Vincent.
Yes,
So
sir.
I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much. Go ahead, share with 3 friends. It's free. I'll see you at the next one. Ciao.
Where's that knife? I'm fucking hungry.